Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction, a group that have not disappointed me, a group that basically meet all my expectation and beyond. Now United. This is a music video to the song Wave Your Flag. I'm curious to see what sound they're gonna give me, what choreo they're gonna give me. Yeah. Yes, baby, I like one. Yeah. Fly and follow the sun. Konnichiwa. Yeah. Little what? I'm saving your flag. Your pin, yeah, I'll back up my bags. You call us and wave your flag. And then back to hills, twist. Hey. Come on, sister. So let's just hop on a plane. You gotta. Bitch did that. Bitch. Oh, my fat. Wait. So let's just hop on a plane. What? That was Josh? What you wanna say? Moving through area codes. Live like Saturday. We out here spinning the gold. Shut the front door. Baby, colors of waving your flag. Oh my God. Yeah, big flag. Oh, there's a new member there. Yes. Your flag. I love this song. I love this song. I do love me a good pop song. I love this song. And there is a new member in this group. I need to see who this new member is. Josh, I see you, sir. I see you. You are a very good dancer. A very good dancer. And it shows in every music video. Love it. Love it. Konnichiwa. Watashiwa Suzuki desai shimashite. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo están? I like this. Now United. I love you guys. I really do. I wish you guys would have came up when I was in high school. I think you guys would be a big artist within my childhood. This is everything to me. Everything to me. I love this group. I love it. Now United, 17 people around the world. I love it so much. Oh my God, I love this song, Wave Your Flag. Another song to add to my list. I really do appreciate it. So this was my own personal selection. I was like, I saw it. I love it. I love the fact that more of the vocalists in the groups are getting their solo debut in the songs. I really do love it. Love it, love it. Anne, Miss Anne from Brazil, girl, please, you shine straight through. Nothing I need to say to you. But as always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link in the comment section, and I get to them as soon as possible. As always, you can do you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching.